I have with me very young, beautiful and talented lady, Utsav Kamboj from Upscale Architecture. If Upscale Architecture could collaborate with any iconic brand or designer, who would it be?
I would want to collaborate with Sabyasachi sometime.
Awesome. Mr. Sabyasachi, I hope you're listening.
I don't think there's anything called work-life balance. There's just some sort of a blend between 2-3 departments, and I don't have a hang of it right now. But I think 2 at a time is something that I can easily blend together.
Hi everyone, welcome to Walk the Talk with Balbir. I have with me very young, beautiful and talented lady with us, Utsav Kamboj from Upscale Architecture. Hi Utsav.
Hi, thank you for having me here.
My pleasure. I'm so glad we could finally make it. I was looking forward to seeing you since a very long time.
Thank you.
I'm so happy that we finally met. To begin with, how was your experience with Design Conclave?
I like the fact that it is not, it was very close-knit. There were people who were actually there to hear the conversation. They were actually interested in that conversation, and it was sometimes a bigger scale is not such a good thing, especially when you're talking about education, when you're talking about upskilling. Smaller scale events like these are even better because you get to know everyone, you speak to everyone because there are limited people.
Yeah.
So I got to speak to so many designers, so many panelists.
So coming to Upscale Architecture, what's always in Utsav Kamboj's bag when heading out for work or any event?
For an event, 2 different iPhones for shoot, one mic, probably something to touch up my makeup.
Okay. I don't think you need makeup.
No,
You're
I'm
glowing.
putting makeup right now. This is makeup. This is not my real skin. And I'll be very embarrassed to say this, but toilet paper, Vaseline lip balm,
No, then same pinch.
rubber mats.
Same pinch, I swear. Totally. Can't move around without certain things. Yeah. So Delhi has such a rich architectural history. Which historical structure here do you find the most inspiring?
Red Fort.
And why is that?
It just gives you the sense of peace, the sense of, you're just, when you enter that place, you're just sort of calm down and you just become very conscious in your breath. And it makes you feel that, okay, what has happened in the history and how...
Takes you back.
Yeah, it takes you back.
Wow, this is something I need to experience. I haven't visited it yet. I've always seen it from the outside because we have Gurdwara Seesganj right outside. Yeah. So I've been to the Gurdwara, but I've just seen Red Fort from the outside. But now I will definitely, because this is
These
something...
kind of places, even Qutub Minar for that matter, they just sort of make you just catch your breath and just listen to yourself.
Wow, that's beautiful.
That's the power of architecture.
That's beautiful. Yeah. How has collaborating with your partners Pragya Bharti, Unnat Kamboj influenced your work?
So they're basically, Unnat is my brother and Pragya is my sister-in-law.
Oh, okay.
So we are a family of 3 architects that are working together.
Awesome.
And it has actually helped me grow into the education sector because there are 2 more people that can, handle different departments of the firm, while I am into just one department of the firm, which could be client acquisition, online, offline marketing. So we have all divisions that
amazing.
This person is doing that, this person is doing that, and then I can focus on, this fulfilling part that I'm doing now.
What's the last material or design technique you shared on your Instagram that really resonated with the audience?
I think I posted about stone cladding from Orvi Surfaces that I really love, and they have this really beautiful inlay work, and they also sort of empower the local artisans. And the people there are, the team of Orvi is absolutely amazing. So people really resonated with it, and I could totally, catch up with those people anytime because they're just so lovely people.
Superb. That's because you are lovely. You vibe. You actually. It's like your vibe attracts your tribe. So that's what it is. And when you're a good person, you automatically see good people. You see the good in people.
Yeah.
If Upscale Architecture could collaborate with any iconic brand or designer, who would it be?
I would want to collaborate with Sabyasachi sometime.
Awesome. Mr. Sabyasachi, I hope you're listening. Please keep in mind. How do you juggle being a designer, mentor, and an influencer while keeping your work-life balance correct?
I don't think there's anything called work-life balance. There's just some sort of a blend between 2-3 departments, and I don't have a hang of it right now. But I think 2 at a time is something that I can easily blend together.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
2 in a day is fine for me.
Superb. What's one Delhi-based landmark that never fails to inspire you as an architect, other than Red Fort?
Connaught Place.
Okay.
The whole idea of walking and shopping and binge eating and doing nothing.
Do you really get that time, or you make that time for yourself? Of course.
When I was in college, I used to go there, and I used to love exploring the place, even though I never used to shop except for those smaller street vendors and stuff.
Those trinklets.
But even now that I've grown up, and even when I can afford luxury, that gives you a certain sense of कि यार मजा आ गया देखना 100 रुपए
that
earrings
kick.
खरीदे.
Yeah, true. Tea or coffee? What powers Utsav through a long day of designing?
No caffeine.
Yeah?
No caffeine.
Wow.
Only water.
Lovely. And what's the one tool or app you can't live without for your design work or your social media?
Google Calendar. My life depends on Google Calendar. Even if I have to go get a haircut, it is on Google Calendar.
I can totally resonate with this. My life is also kind of getting there, honestly. And what's the one trend in architecture or design you think will dominate the coming year?
I think multifunctional furniture. I think people are now going to focus more on creating evergreen spaces and explore more on the product part of things. Because every 3-4 years, everybody gets bored of the furniture and they're like, isko change karna hai. So now they look at furniture pieces, products, and furnishings from that perspective that can be changed. Maybe we'll have some rental option, or I don't know.
If you weren't an architect or a designer, what would Utsav Kamboj be?
Dancer.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. As someone who mentors designers and homeowners, what's the best piece of advice you always share?
Consistency can beat good luck and good skills. If you work hard on something, you can beat it. No matter what is your background, no matter you came from a wealthy family or a poor family, if you just keep working on it, you'll get there.
Super. Lastly, what's one myth about architects and designers you'd like to bust?
कि हिंदी में बोलूँ चलेगा?
Of course.
4 लाइन बनाने के लाखों रुपए ले लेते हैं. This I would like to say कि 4 लाइन नहीं होती.
Oh my God, Utsav, I really don't feel I've met you for the first time, to be very, very honest. I am like really honored and, feeling so happy to have met
This
you.
is the truth. No, people think कि आप 4 लाइन बनाने के 1 लाख रुपए क्यों मांग रहे हो?
I can't stop laughing. I'm taking this back with me. I think it's going to stay for life with me. But thank you, Utsav. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for
at
having
Design
me.
Conclave and Walk the Talk with Balbir. And I look forward to meeting you more often.
I look
And
forward to
shall
meet you
stay
more often. Your aura is really making me very happy right now.
Thank you. One last thing about Acetech. What do you have to say about Acetech?
I genuinely always visit Acetech every year because this is one platform which brings a lot of architectural materials that others don't. Others are more focused on the interiors, the luxury furnishings, and being an architect, having all the architectural materials, even interior materials, under one roof is a great place for me to explore within a day or two.
Super.
I'm really tired of exploring just the furniture. Itna furniture, yeah? There's so much to explore, and India has so many options in materials. You'd want to see that. So Acetech gives that.
Thank you.